Technology alongside AI can have transformative impact in reshaping industries by streamlining operation and fostering innovation. Join Astro AWANI correspondent Farhana Sheikh at the Red Hat Summit in Colorado as she explores how AI is being utilized to drive unparalleled growth in industries.
The use of technology, especially AI, is revolutionizing industries by streamlining operations, optimizing processes, and unlocking unprecedented insights to drive innovation and growth. Here at Red Hat Summit in Denver, Colorado, we explore how industries are utilizing AI to its full potential to stay ahead of the game. Within the AI field, IBM and Red Hat initiated the Instruct Lab project to democratize AI by promoting transparency, collaboration, and innovation through open source.
So Instruct Lab basically aims to democratize AI by making it so anybody in our community of contributors can contribute skills or knowledge that then gets built into a regularly released community model. So say for instance, you download one of our models and you're asking it about some subject matter. Let's say the subject matter is, I don't know, shoes. And it doesn't seem to know about shoes. So you're like, okay, well I know about shoes. Let me write some knowledge about shoes and submit it to the model. So you submit it, and then it may end up in the next release of the model, and then you ask it about shoes. Hey, it knows about shoes. But the way the technology works is it will take a large language model, and that's already pre-trained, and you're doing sort of a fine-tuning alignment phase. So we take all these community contributions and use them to align the model to what the contributions are. And that kind of, it enables the model to understand what latent knowledge was pre-trained into it better than it would without that alignment, if that makes sense.
Besides open source AI allowing developers, researchers, and enthusiasts globally to access, modify, and enhance AI algorithms, Maureen said it also does not require expensive or complicated hardware to run.
So that's sort of been our focus with the Instruct Lab tooling, is to make it laptop first. And you might not get as high quality output because you have limited hardware resources, but you have enough to experiment and to learn and to prove what you're working on. So then that could be, for example, if you're inside an organization, you want to experiment and learn and make the business case to get funding to go to something more sophisticated, you can do that. And it doesn't require any additional investment in hardware because it's the hardware you already have. And you don't need to be a data scientist, you don't need to be a developer. You basically just have to be interested in artificial intelligence. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to have an expertise that you would like to share with the model.
Rapid technological advancement and the quest for customizable vehicles have propelled the rise of software-defined vehicles. Here at Red Hat Summit, we explore how SDVs are transforming the automotive sector, providing greater performance and better user experience.
Software-defined vehicles allow us to make the car better as time goes on. So the day that you take the car from delivery to 10 days later, your car gets better. From 10 to 100 days, it even gets better then. So we release new features as time goes on. We do bug fixes to make the user experience better. And overall, the customer experience gets better as time goes on. Because there's so much software in the car, we're able to make changes, make additions, subtractions when necessary to provide a better user experience. So your vehicle will always get better as time goes on. The future is being able to diagnose issues before they're experienced by a customer and having a fix out there before the customer even knows that there's something there. There's lots of data analysis. The future is experiences where a vehicle could interact with a customer in the way that they are feeling or the way that they want to interact with the vehicle, and that could be very different from driver to driver. So the future of a software-defined vehicle is much more of a personal interaction than has ever been done before.
Utilizing AI in the public healthcare system holds immense potential to revolutionize patient care as well as optimize resource allocation. Here at Red Hat Summit, I speak to Richard Spencer-Schaefer, Chief AI Officer from the US Department of Veterans Affairs, on harnessing the power of AI to provide better outcome for patients and healthcare staff.
One is helping to improve the processes that we do. So using AI to go through all of the even paper documents, like thousands of paper documents, and helping that to help guide our patient care. I think that we also see it with helping to improve our ability to detect problems with patients, whether that is with using AI to read x-rays and other diagnostic images, all the way to using AI to predict how someone might be, how they might feel, or how sick they might be in the next 24 hours.
Spencer believes that Malaysia has immense potential to digitalize and incorporate AI into its healthcare system.
To be honest, like the first step, and this is what we're kind of doing right now, is using AI to take all of that information that's just in written record all over, right? And using AI to convert that into data that can be used to help kind of help improve, not only help improve each individual person's information, but to help develop tools that can help as a public health perspective. I think the last thing I'll say about that is I think it's really exciting for Malaysia. I think that what we struggle with right now in the U.S. is that we have lots and lots of technology that was built around healthcare, but it wasn't really built in a way that is highly useful in a high computing environment. And so a country like Malaysia, starting at this point, is going to be able to take full advantage of the scalability and the ability to use cloud resources or with other secure methodologies, but to build from the ground, from that ground up. And I think things are a lot easier to build right now.